When you first log in to your Exhibitor account, this is the dashboard that you will see. If you want to add images or check profile information, you can click on Edit Profile down the left-hand side. Most of the general information should already be filled in, as we imported it all from seawork.com. But you do have the chance to make any edits if your information has changed. You can also add your background image and header image if you have upgraded to a premium account. To make sure your profile is filled in as much as possible, all you need to do is click along the tabs at the top and ensure all the information is completed. The Company Details tab allows you to add your address. Don't forget to click Save after any changes you make. On Company Overview, you can add a description about your company. You have the option to change the formatting so the style matches your branding. Next is the News tab. Here you can create news that will be submitted to the organisers for approval. It will then be published on the News tab of Seawork Connect. It is very important to fill in your product categories. Tick as many boxes as are relevant to your company, as this is how our matchmaking system works. This will mean that your exhibitor stand is shown to the right visitors. If you have a premium account, this is where you will upload the embedded code to your video. If you have any trouble finding the embedded code on YouTube or Vimeo, please contact the support team and we will help you with this. This tab allows you to edit your notification settings and turn different notifications on and off. Make sure you are clicking save after each tab so these settings aren't lost. Marketing content allows you to upload images and media files. The limit for a media file is 1 megabyte. Our team can help you upload media if you need any guidance. On the Team Members tab, you can add the email address of anyone in your team and they will receive an email to confirm. The amount of team members you can add will depend on your exhibitor package. Finally, you can change your password on the last tab. If you require any further information, please email support@seawork.com and our team will get back to you.